What's good, man? Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks, where we spilling all the info that they don't want you to know. And today we're going to be talking about a common misconception that I always hear when it comes to the stock market. People always think that you have to let your money sit for months upon months or even years upon years to see real returns in the stock market. And I want to let you know that is 100% incorrect, man. I want to teach y'all how to make money in minutes off the stock market today by scalping the market. Let's get into it. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, stick around to the end, and hit that subscribe button so we keep spilling the free game on y'all, man. Let's go. I want to go over some technical analysis and how you can quick snipe the market, man, and make easy gains just by being in and out the market. You understand what I'm saying? So without further ado, I'm going to start screen recording on my iPad because my screen recording on my laptop is acting kind of funny. So boom, let's put this on the 5-minute time frame, and let's go to a stock that I actually made some money off of this morning, man. We made some money off of MU, but we had a textbook 20% gain on Tesla, man, and it could have been really 100% if I would have just stayed in it longer. So starting off the morning, man, I wanted to again be patient and watch for false breakouts. So I let stuff run its course and make it support and resistance levels for the day, man. So we're looking at it on the 5-minute chart. Tesla had ran up and got yanked back down again. What I was telling y'all about watching for false breakouts in the first 30 minutes of the day. You understand what I'm saying? The first two 15-minute candles. So we go down here. We came back up to this possible resistance zone, man. This 218, 219 area. And I called it out in the Discord. I said, Tesla's forming a possible double top right here. So you see how I'm kind of analyzing it before I front run and get in the trade. I'm looking for the levels. I'm looking to see where it's rejecting off of, man. So we go to the 1 minute. I turned it down to the 1 minute to see where I should enter. You understand what I'm saying? I'm looking for at the 5-minute to 15-minute for the sentiment of the market, and then I'm turning it down to the 5 and the 1 minute chart to see where I should enter. So after I saw that it came back to this point that it got sold off at heavy this morning, you understand what I'm saying? I seen that this bullish bar was almost as big and retraced the whole green leg up. You understand what I'm saying? Then we saw some dojis, which is another good sign of a reversal at heavy resistance. And I hopped in on this candle right here, man, that the crosshair is on. And what did it do? It never hit my stop loss. It almost tapped it right there. I was almost stopped out of the trade on my risk management, but thankfully it kept going down, man. And we seen a quick 20% gain on this. And as you can see, I sold it right before it started bouncing up a little bit. But if we would have held this throughout the whole day, man, it would have went crazy. You understand what I'm saying? So that somewhere down here, it would have definitely been 100% gains. But again, sniping the market is about being in and out of moves, taking quick profits. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not mad at a 20% gain at all. I'm actually very happy. You understand what I'm saying? That's free reparations out the market. So now let's go to another trade that I played so y'all can again see my execution style and see how you can apply it to what you got going on. You understand what I'm saying? Now that I played Nvidia this morning, I said watch for the 116, 115 levels, man. And I had on 115 must break and hold for puts. This thing was a freight train down this morning, and I'm mad I didn't catch it in the first 30 minutes of the market. You understand what I'm saying? Because I caught kind of a all right entry on it, but I got in right around, hold on, let me put it on the 5-minute candles, man, so I can tell y'all exactly where I got in at. Okay, so I entered on this candle right here, somewhere down here. You understand what I'm saying? Where the crosshair is at. Somewhere around 112.80. And you see how it went up. It did hit my stop, but I didn't stop myself out because it had no buying volume when it got up to there. As soon as it kept getting up to there, it kept getting yanked down and yanked down. So I did have to be a little bit more patient on this trade. It took about 15 minutes all in all, man. But you see, after it broke the level is broke that little consolidation area. It kept going down, down, and down. So I sold it around, I was done with this trade at about 11:30, not even. Honestly, what does that say? 10:30 a.m. in the morning, man. So again, you see how quick sniping is being in and out of a trade. And I want to go to the 1 minute to tell y'all why I entered on a certain candles that I did, man. So now looking at this on the 1 minute time frame, I was already late to the party right here. So now we got to see, okay, what level is it going to hit and start consolidating off of next, man? So we can get confirmation that the trade is more than likely going to go our way. So we see it kind of had buying pressure at 113. I waited till about 112, seeing what it did, seeing it had heavy buying pressure off of that. And then it came back to 113. That was at one point could have been support. It made it resistance. You understand what I'm saying? So keep in mind when these levels, when support gets broken, when support gets broken down, it can turn into resistance, and vice versa. When resistance gets broken up, a stock can come back down to touch that, and now it is turned to support, man. So I got in the trade right up here, man. It was kind of consolidating. It hit my stop loss. Me personally, I wait and see the sentiment of the market. You can't put a stop limit order in, but that's personally not how I trade. I waited it out, and it kept bouncing off this little EMA on the 1 minute time frame. So that was a good sign. It wasn't breaking and holding the EMA. So again, a little quick 15% gain on Nvidia, man. And that is how I sniped the market this morning, man. To be on the lookout tomorrow, I do want y'all to look out for this 112 level, or excuse me, 110 level on Nvidia, man. We sitting at 108 at the time of this recording, and the market is about to close. So I want y'all to wait for it to possibly run up to that 110 level and then get yanked back down. Or if we see more sell-off pressure, because September is historically a big sell-off month in the market, and on the election year, it can get even bloodier, man. So I want y'all to look for these lows of the day to get beat. You understand what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. With that being said, consider joining the Discord, link in the description, man. That's where I give all my live signals. That's where I put y'all on even more game. We got the free game on YouTube, so make sure you hitting that subscribe button, the like button, so we keep spreading the knowledge. You understand what I'm saying? If this video was helpful, man, drop a comment. Let me know where y'all from, and we out.